This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Isil Nevins. This split-plan home has an open floor plan with a large kitchen that overlooks the bright and sunny living space. Make the large master your own private getaway. Relax in the large sunroom and take in the Florida sun. This won't last. Seller does not pay customary closing cost including title policy, escrow fees, survey or transfer fees. This property may qualify for Seller Financing Vendee. On hold. For more information, review the details below or contact Isil Nevins at 321-537-3956.